YouTube, what's going on, guys? You guys already know it's 360 Woods here, and I'm back. Okay, I'm back, and I know I've been gone for like 4 days. You know, I've been, guys, I've been basically sick. I sprained my ankle during Friday's game. You know, it's been one of those weeks. You know, this was the week where we had a 4-day weekend. I didn't have school Friday, I didn't have school Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, which is today where I'm recording this video is Monday, and now I gotta go to school back Tuesday. So I basically been in bed my whole 4-day weekend. It bothers. It bothered me that I wasn't able to do anything. I wasn't even able to record, edit, and post videos for you guys. And I know you guys were probably at least out Monday too for school. Y'all couldn't even watch my videos on your day off. Y'all couldn't even watch my videos on the weekend. You know, but you know what? I guess I give you something to watch during this weekend, because I'm back. You know, the sickness is starting to go away to where it's not affecting my personality. Okay, it's not affecting my personality anymore. I'm more giddy. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to push out some videos. So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this with the, as you guys can see in the title, a roasting my subscribers waves. Okay, now, guys, some of you guys, y'all been pushing them boys out, so I'm gonna have to, if I don't get to you guys, resend them to me, because I really do want to get to all you guys. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into the video right now. So I'm about to pull up a chair and let's get into it right now. So, alright, I'm pulling out the phone. You know, I gotta pull out the phone for you guys so we can go ahead and we gonna go in these DMs and we gonna get these. We gonna get it rolling. We gonna get it popping first. Alright. So, man, I don't know why I'm doing all that. My voice still kind of hurt. We can party some more. Yeah, got this drink in my cup. Yep, rate me. Okay. So, okay. Alright. Like I said, man, I need it up here. Okay, I pictures up here. You feel me? I need pictures like this. You feel me? I need some pictures like that. Alright, y'all gotta stop sending me pictures from the side. I can't tell from the side now. I can't tell from the side. You know, I can't see your waves like that, bro. But right now, right here, it seems like you know you're a beginner. It seems like you're a beginner. And there's nothing wrong with being beginners. Alright? Now, you know, we could tell you went and got that taper. Okay, you went and got the taper. Maybe the taper about a week old. Don't wrong with it. About a week old. But so you did get cleaned up, but you know what? You're in the beginning stages, so we need to go ahead. We need to get you on a 12-week wolf, okay? 12-week wolf to get you your curl in. Keep brushing, put in work, put in that work. You know, feel me? And just basically just keep pushing, bro. It seems like you know your angles. I don't really see no forks off rip, so it seems like you know what you're doing. Now, you guys, you know, send me something. I can't see if it's like, if you say rate me first and then send me something. You gotta send me rate me like last after your picture, so then when I look, I can see rate me, so that I know you want to be rated. Alright? So see, look, he said rate me last, so then I know he wants to be rated, you know, before I even click on it. So that's a good picture. The lighting don't look good off rip, but okay. Alright. Oh, he waved. He's spinning. He's spinning. Okay, you know you got that top right. All right. Oh, actually, it looks like I'm trying to guess this pattern right now. It kind of looks like 360 with the swirl. Hey, correct me if I'm wrong. Anybody in the comments, correct me if I'm wrong. The reason why I say that is because 360 with a swirl, usually their sides come down right. Their sides come down right, but sometimes their back is more at a slant. It's just how it is. I've noticed it. Just because of the curl swirling, you kind of got to attach the curl. I mean the swirl, not the curl, the swirl. But you woofing heavy, everything's laid. You're not over curling. I see you. You know what you're doing. All right, you know what you're doing. It's just them angles. Maybe it's just a weak side. Maybe you're actually hitting your angles. It's just your weak side. But hit this right there, just like that. Boom, like that. I mean, I can't be talking. I ain't got no waves no more. It's only because you know my hair ain't long enough yet. You know, my hair ain't long enough yet. But yeah, just. Looks like those like parts right here in your waves are your weak areas, so make sure you're getting all the way down when you're brushing. That's all it is, bro. But keep wolfing. You already know what you already know what you're doing. Your waves are laid, no frizz, no nothing like that. So I mean, So I mean, basically, yeah, you good. You're good. So we gonna go ahead. We gonna get into it. Rate that boy. Oh snap! He look like he's silky. Oh god. Oh, the last person I forgot to rate him. But I rate you a 9, bro. It's just a couple forks. You guys just gotta break. There's like slight stuff too, but you're still spinning. Okay. I feel like your back is your weak area. I feel like you're not brushing your back enough, which is cool. It's cool. Easy mistake. You know, you get caught in going like this at school, or going like this at school, or going like this at school. But you know, sometimes at school we don't go like this. So make sure you're doing it. That's all I really gotta say. Make sure you brushing down that back too. Tapered. He's tapered up. Haircut. Fire. Waves laid. No frizz. You know what you're doing on a plastic bag method. I see you, bro. Getting that waves laid. That's a good video. Just make sure. It looks like you got a line of your crown on. Make sure you close that up. So I give you about an 8. About 8. I give you 8. Mostly because you know, still need to get some more brush work in there. All right. Okay, my dude. Okay, my dude. Alright, so we gonna get into it. Alright. Okay. Oh, you got that fringe in the back. Oh! Oh! Oh, you got... Boy, that black back is flipping up. Whew. He woofing heavy. That's showing the struggle. The struggle is real as a waver. It is real. I'm trying to. It is real out here in these streets. Look at all that. That boy. That man got a whole do-rag. He got a whole do-rag flap in the back. Boy, god damn. God damn. But you know, he still got them waves. He still got them waves. With his texture, he still got the waves. You can tell he's been brushing. Okay, he's been brushing. His texture, you can tell they don't get many waves. Try combing and just try combing. Don't comb more than you brush. People get it twisted. Don't comb more than you brush. But you just keep time will help your waves though. Just keep doing what you're doing and let time progress you up, man. All right, keep doing what you're doing. You know what seems like you know what you're doing. Okay, oh boy, oh my God, look at the Fred. You could tell that boy woofing heavy. He woofing heavy, cuz. God, dog. God, he doing everything right though. That he ain't doing nothing wrong, man. He ain't doing nothing wrong. You spinning though. I give you about what am I gonna give you? I'm gonna give you a 7.5. Okay, 7.5. Just because your waves don't look appealing because you're woofing. Just when you cut that. Let me see that boy. Let me see that boy. I want to see how them waves pop. We're going to go ahead and decline that. Swipe on that. Alright. Trying to look for some more rates. Alright. Okay, we already rated you, bro. Didn't we rate him? I swear we rated him. Okay. Okay. He's spinning. He looked like how I did when I was waving for like about a little bit over a year. Like, I'm talking about 10 months. He looks like my 10-month mark when I'm me waving. He's doing pretty dang good. I ain't gonna flex. I ain't gonna flex. He's doing pretty good. He's tapered up. Barber got him right. He got him right. You know, a barber didn't know how to cut some fringe, you know, on a straight hair waver. That's tough. It's tough. So when you find a barber that can get your hairline right as a straight waver, you stick with them. Don't cheat on your barber. And I'm going to tell you why, because all them other barbers will push your stuff back. And I mean push it back. Like all the way back together. With very natural lining. And a natural liner for a straight hair waver, we got big foreheads out here. Alright? Like me. I ain't a big forehead. Big forehead. But, you know, I give you about a solid 6, mostly because from the angle, maybe it's because your barber put gel or something in your hair. I remember my old barber used to do that. Stop going to him. Stop going to him for that. I was like, bro, you can't keep doing that, bro. I'm a straight hair. I don't got that, you know, crazy curly hair no more, bro. I don't got that no more, bro. You can't keep doing this. You can't. I'm waving. You let me put my own products. So you don't got no real wave products, but you don't have to. You don't have to sit there and let them put them gels in your hair, bro. Okay. Okay. We're gonna start off with this one first. No wires. No wires. Why you got wires? We only got AirPods over here. What you doing with some wires, cuz? You yank them boys out. Cut them boys off. Get some AirPods, cuz they're only 170. Only 170. Cut them boys off now. And these gonna last you long. I'm telling you, them wired ones, man. Look, oh my God. Them wired ones, man, look. Stop. Them wired ones, man, look. I had to cut them boys off. I ain't gonna front. I gotta cut them boys off. Cause look, the sound gonna go out in about 6 months. The sound gonna go out on you. Why you gonna keep buying it? The sound gonna go out. It's gonna go out on you. So look, get some AirPods. They gonna last you longer, bro. Just go ahead and get them boys off. We don't mess with them wires no more. Apple and them wires. No, we don't mess with them. You guys already seen me in every video with these AirPods. Y'all be getting on me about it. But look, y'all understand. Like, I forget these boys in my ear sometimes. This video I knew because it's just starting to annoy y'all. You know what? I like annoying y'all sometimes. Y'all annoy me, I annoy y'all in the comments too. So, talking about waves now. We're talking about waves. You're spinning. Okay? You're spinning. It's just facts. I'm just spitting facts. You're spinning, cuz. I really couldn't. I want to get more of a better look at your waves. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That music in the background need to come out. Now, I ain't even gonna put the music on there for y'all, cause that music, hell no. You're forked up on your right side. So it's about right here. Make sure you're coming down like this to your eye. That should be the perfect angle. When you come down like that, that's the perfect angle. And you're forked up all right there. All right here. That's how I know your angle ain't right on that area. Keep brushing. Keep wolfing. Get them forks up, bro. Everything else, good. I'll give you an 8. I'll give you an 8 because you wavy. Alright? Stay wavy, bro. Now we're going to get you out of here. Oh, from UK? Right on, bro. I feel you. Right on. Let me know down in the comments where you got from. Let me know down in the comments. Florida. Y'all from Florida, California, New Mexico. I don't know how to speak Spanish. Español. ¿Cómo estás? Mi guapo, eh?
Sit the fuck down.
No, I need to stop. I need to stop. Okay, I need to stop. I don't know how to get ways. Bro, I'm gonna roast the fuck. Okay. Okay. He said, I don't know how to get ways. I thought he was gonna send me a flat head. I was gonna be like, bro, you don't come at me with rape, okay? Oh, he did come at me with a flat. God, dog, you sent me a lot of videos. Okay, send me a lot of videos and pictures. I guess we gonna go through them first. Okay. Alright. He did that boomerang. Hold on. He did that boomerang. Don't send me that. Don't send me that. Oh, I need to stop. I need to stop in this video. I can't be doing that in these videos, guys. But don't send me boomerangs. Those give me headaches. Those give me big headaches. You say you don't know how to get waves, bro. I feel like it's because you're just not brushing enough. Because I know why you not get waves. It's because your hair's not growing fast enough. But if you're brushing fast, I mean, if you're brushing more, then your hair speeds up the growth. And when your hair speeds up the growth, then your hair gets to its curling. When it gets to its curling faster, then the waves start coming faster. When it starts coming faster, you're not in my DM saying, how do I get waves? You're on roast my subscribers' waves instead. So, we can all see you can get waves. We can all see it, bro. We can all see that boomerang give me a headache, man. God, dog. But, yeah. Basically, yeah, you can get waves, bro. So don't come at me saying I can't get waves. You can get waves. You got waves. You got ripples, bro. You just need to let your hair grow. Let time progress on. Keep using curling hair smoothie. As a beginner, curling hair smoothie is your best friend. It's your best friend, okay? It's your best friend, okay? Don't ever betray curly hair smoothie. When you get more in the elite stages, you get out the beginner stage, you can stop using curly hair smoothie. But when you're in the beginner stage, your waves ain't set yet, keep using curly hair smoothie, okay? Keep using that. That's your best friend. I'm trying to tell you. But like I said, I'm gonna rate you like a 7. Okay. I hate these mirror pics where you guys send me pictures like this in a mirror. I hate that. But it's cool. We gonna have to turn our binoculars on. Okay. Okay. 720s? Don't look like 540s to me. Well, no, them are 540. I don't know. That's tough. Because they don't look like my 540. My 540s, it came down like this, and it was at like a slight. You know, it was slight. And then, you know, but his goes this direction, which don't matter. You know, his goes like this. It's still like, because no, that's 720s. I don't know what the heck that's 720s, because you look at his pattern, it comes out like this, and it comes up like that. So I don't know what that's 720s. 720 wave. If you guys never seen a 720 waver, which you don't see much of them out here anymore, then yeah, this is a 720 waver, straight hair waver. Actually looks more like medium now I'm talking about it. Maybe in the medium or straight mode, maybe in the middle. But you spin it. I don't really see no forks. You just get that pattern set in. But you spin it. I got nothing else to say. I'll give you a solid 9.5. Get that pattern completely set. Those ropes strong as heck, bruh. And you be good. Like, you know what you're doing, bro. I feel like you just wanted to be on here. You know? And that's going to be it for this video. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like because you like the video, duh. I mean, why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? And I mean, comment because I love reading what you guys got to say in the comments. And of course, subscribe because you guys already know we dropping straight fire videos. You guys want to stay tuned. You guys want to be here. And you guys definitely want to be notified. So go ahead and click the bell while you already click the notification button, because I trust you guys. I trust you. You know, we trust each other. Yeah, I trust you because you trust me. And then that's just how life goes on. Life's going to keep going on. And you know, you're going to stay wavy. Stay wavy. Keep brushing. Keep putting in that brushwork. Stay motivated. Don't let people get to your head, because nobody's going to get in there. Alright? But it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yep.